Creek fishing. About to get out here and see what we can do. Oh yeah. Creek fishing. All right, creek fishing. Creek fishing. See what we can do real quick. Get on a couple slabs, or maybe a bluegill, something here and there. Who knows? Ew, kind of slippery. I wish I knew. I don't recommend Jordan, Bud. Trashy freaking people. Chilling out here on the side of a road. Trying to see if there's any crappie in this creek. That's what's crazy. I'm just trying to see if anything's in this creek. Little creekway, and if I find them, I'm gonna get some. You know what I mean? Doing a floater. Doing a floater and worms. Nothing major. Doing it old school style. You never know what you can get. So let's see. If we even get a bite in the first. Ooh, there you go. Some nice. That looked cool. I don't know if that was a crappie though. That looked like a bluegill. And a small one at that. See, right there. Right there. These little things, man. Just a little something to play with. Yo! Yesterday. And I'm pretty proud of it. I mean, they're hitting it as it hits the ground. Got him. Quick crappie. Even though it's small, but look. Ooh. Quick little crappie. Let him go. Good shit. Got him. See, there's some crappies in there. They're just playing. Little guys. Nothing major. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I'm out here with my bobber now. Time for fun. Let's just play. Creek. Let's get these creeks on. have some fun with these. See what I'm saying? Quick, fast, bluegill fun. I'm gonna actually put some of these bluegills in my ponds. It's fun doing this. You know what I'm saying? They may be little guys, but hey. Alright, can y'all see that, bobber? Ooh, got him. Got him. It's a nice one. Oh shit, getting a little better, huh? Got him. Like I said, easy, baby. Easy. Creek bluegills, man. Some of the funnest. Pretty color on these guys. Look at that purple rain. What's up, guys? It's the Fisherman's Barber. I'm actually here at my shop. I got a couple heads to do in a minute, but I wanted to just check in with you guys and let you guys know, please give me a like and subscribe, or even better, turn on them notifications. So, you know what I'm saying? You can get some more of me. Let me be me. You know what I'm saying? Let me shine. Oh, yeah, tight lines. Peace.